But every day people around me witness things which they think is nothing short of a miracle, but there's no miracle. Life is a big miracle. In this cosmos, this solar system is a speck. Tomorrow morning if the entire solar system evaporates, nobody will notice it. In that speck, planet Earth is a micro speck. In that micro speck, Los Angeles is a super micro speck. In that, you are a big man. That's a serious problem. This is your psychological drama. Exaggerating things to a point where you think if you have one bad thought, the whole world is ruined. We have gotten identified with the thoughts that we generate, with the emotions that we create, not understanding it's our prerogative to create the kind of thought we want, the kind of emotion we want. If you created the kind of thought you want and the kind of emotion you want, would you not do the best sort of thoughts and the best kind of emotion? You take away negative thoughts. Don't identify any thought as negative because it's just a thought. Who told you it's negative? It's just a thought. You're making it up, maybe you like it, what's the problem? If you understand it's just a thought, it has no power. If you think it's a reality, then it destroys you. It's just a thought, isn't it?
How emotions and thoughts can be physical?
First of all, this distinction between emotion and thought, it doesn't really exist. What you call as emotion is just the juicier part of the thought. The way you think is the way you feel, isn't it so? Right now, I think this is a wonderful person, now I have sweet emotions towards him. Now I think he's a horrible man, now I have ugly emotions towards him. Can I think he's a horrible man and have sweet emotions towards him? Can I think he's a beautiful man and have ugly emotions towards him? Is it possible? No, because the way you think is the way you feel. And the other way around also, the way you feel is the way you think. You have sweet emotions towards somebody, whichever way you look at them, everything about them looks beautiful. Once you have sweet emotions towards somebody, do you see your thoughts start telling you all kinds of beautiful things about them? But suppose suddenly the sweetness of emotion went away tomorrow, suddenly your mind starts telling you all the horrible things this person is. Yes or no? Because thought and emotion are not separate. Thought is dry, emotion is juicy, but it's the same thing.
Most people don't even see that. They keep repeating the same cycles in different scenery and they think they're okay. It's good of you, at least if you're noticing it. The scenery may change. Life scenery will anyway change. The last time some rubbish happened to you, you were in school. Next time it happened to you, you were in college, so the scenery was different. Next time it happened to you, you were in a job. Next time it happened to you, you were married. But the same things are happening if you closely observe your life. Suppose you're going to Coimbatore from Isa Yoga Center and you saw outside there was Semmedu. You know this Semmedu? Irutupallam, that's a nice name. Irutupallam means a dark ditch. So you were going to Coimbatore, you came to Irutupallam, you looked around and you passed. Now there's no danger, they put a bridge. There was a time when you had to go through. And you were driving happily towards Coimbatore, again Irutupallam came. Oh, again Irutupallam, it's okay, bad luck. And again you keep driving, after some time again Irutupallam came. Something, no, but coincidence. Again Irutupallam came, you must know that you are in Irutu. If 4 times the same town is coming on the way to Coimbatore, that means you're going in circles, that means you're not going anywhere. But every day people around me witness things which they think is nothing short of a miracle, but there's no miracle. Life is a big miracle. Are you a part of it or are you out of it? That's a big question. Isn't this a big miracle? This guy eats a noodle and becomes like this. Is it not a miracle, I'm asking? It is a miracle, isn't it? Is this not miracles and miracles all over the place? The question is only, are you consciously a part of this miraculous creation or are you stuck in your own logic and outside this miracle? That's all the big difference is.